Good morning everyone, I am Syam. Today I am discuss about properties of metals. There are two type of properties of metals: physical properties of metals and chemical properties of metals. First we will discuss about physical properties of metals. All metal except mercury and gallium are solid at room temperature. Metals can be light sodium, potassium, aluminum, magnesium as well as heavy iron. Usually metals are hard but sodium and potassium are comparably soft. Many metals possess the characteristic of malleability and ductility. Metals like copper, gold, silver, etc. are good conductor of heat and electricity. However, lead and mercury are poor conductor of heat. In physical properties, metals usually have high melting and boiling points. Metal loses electron and change to positive iron and are called electropositive elements. Next, chemical properties of metals. Metals have different chemical properties because of electrons in the outermost orbit of the metals. Reaction metals with dioxygen. Metals give electrons to oxygen atom and react to the form of oxides. Potassium and sodium react with oxygen so we can kept in kerosene. At normal temperature, a thin layer of oxide is observed on metals like magnesium, aluminium and zinc. Magnesium, when heated in air, burns with dancing light and forms magnesium oxide. At normal temperature, a thin layer of oxide is observed on metals like magnesium. Iron and the remaining metals below iron in the activity series react with oxygen when heated in air. At high temperature, metals like gold, silver, etc. do not react with oxygen. Oxide of metals like zinc oxide and aluminum oxide possess both acidic and basic properties. Such metals are called amphoric oxide. Metals reaction with water. Metals react with water and form hydroxide or oxide and hydrogen gas, but all metals do not react with water. Metals like sodium, potassium, calcium and lithium react with cold water. The dihydrogen gas produced by the reaction exposed and burn fast. Magnesium does not react with cold water, however it forms magnesium hydroxide and dihydrogen gas when react with hot water. Similarly, aluminum, zinc and iron react with steam or form a respective oxide and dihydrogen gas. Metals like lead, copper, gold and silver do not react with water and steam. Metals react with acid. All metals do not react with dilute acid. If metals react with dilute acid, then the corresponding salt and dihydrogen gas are produced. Metals react with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen and then respective metallic chlorides. Magnesium react rarely compared to zinc and copper. Metals react with dilute sulfuric acid to produce hydrogen and then respective metallic sulfates. Metals react with chlorine to form the respective chlorides. Metals react with dihydrogen gas. Metals have a tendency to lose electrons, so they can react with those elements which can accept electrons. As dihydrogen does not accept electrons, active metals like NaKCl combine with hydrogen and form hydrate of metal.